Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1955 Pontiac Chieftain. Beautiful car. I got the owner here, and to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
Good.
A pretty car.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about it.
It's a 55 Pontiac. It's got 60,000 original miles. Was restored in the 90s. Just showing some minor signs of wear.
Yeah, looks great for restored in the 90s. Also, the fender skirts are included. These are pretty loaded with options back in the day. It's got that jet age look, you know?
Yep.
Really nice chrome and stainless. Beautiful paint. Love the two-tone. What kind of motor does it have?
It's the original V8. It's not really sure. It's a 346, I believe.
Okay. Let's check it out.
4-speed hydromatic.
Okay.
Automatic transmission.
4-speed. Pretty cool. Very nice. You fired up? Yeah. He also has the fender skirts too, which really changed the look of the car. Sounds nice. Sounds really good. Check out the interior.
Had the aftermarket stereo with the little bars.
Yeah, I've seen that. Beautiful interior. It's a two-tone red and white. 60,745 miles. Beautiful cool dash. Custom radio in the glove box with the remote. Really nice headliner. Probably looks real nice with the skirts on it, huh? Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.